Going to talk about our 2020 travel plans for the rest of the year.
What are we doing in Indiana?
We need your help.
We want everyone's input on this. Let's see if they can guess. Let's see who's been paying attention.
This great adventure.
Hey, friends.
Yeah, hey guys, how's it going? Wow, 2020, what a year for change.
Wow, 2020's been a little cray-cray.
Very strange year, and we hope you're all doing well and safe out there.
Yeah.
And gosh, we're excited to get back on the road.
We cannot wait to get back on the road. It's been,
Yeah, really soon. So we're going to talk about our 2020 travel plans for the rest of the year. Plus, we need your help on a couple of items.
Yes, please. We want everyone's input on this.
That's right. So we hit the road here shortly. We're going to be leaving the Destin, Florida area, traveling into Alabama.
Yeah. And Tennessee.
Right. And then we're going to Indiana.
Yay.
What's in Indiana?
What are we doing in Indiana?
Well, it's the RV capital of the world.
Woo-woo.
80% of all RVs are manufactured in the Elkhart, Goshen, Middlebury, Indiana area. And we're going to be going to the Lippert factory, actually getting some really cool upgrades that we're excited to share with you guys. So
pretty cool stuff.
Yeah, thank you, Lippert, for that. And actually backing up, though, as we're going through some of these states, we're looking for your ideas and suggestions on where to go.
Things to do, adventure.
Right, things to see along the way, because we've planned in a little bit of time to enjoy the journey, so to speak.
That's right, always.
Yeah, sometimes when we make these across the states ventures, we don't slow down sometimes.
Yeah, we're usually racing a lot, but then there's always places we want to stop, but we're like, oh, next time. But this time we have planned in extra days for those. Ooh, let's go do that. So when we leave Elkhart, when we're done there, where are we going?
Right, heading into Illinois, going around Chicago, and then into Wisconsin, where we've got family to visit. And
then Minnesota.
Yeah, Minnesota,
Tom's hometown.
My home state. Get our doctor stuff, annual things kind of taken care of.
Yes.
And hang out with some more family there as well. And so if you're from the upper Midwest area, let us know again if there's things that you think we should check out, and maybe we'll do some more looking around in Minnesota.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah, totally. Look forward to seeing family. It's been a while.
It has been a while.
Yeah, almost a whole year.
Ooh, that's a long time to go without seeing family.
Right.
So then, when we're done with Minnesota,
where should we go?
West?
Yeah, I think we're going to go southwest from there. So if you have favorite places to check out in the southwest area of the country, let us know. And
yeah, we'd love to know some favorite destinations of yours, where you've been or where you've always wanted to go that we can share with you.
Yes, and actually we need some additional help as well, finding people to work with on two big projects that we would like to do.
Please.
Which one should we talk about first?
Oh my goodness. My priority list, number one, would be the office space.
Right. Ever since we got the toy hauler here almost a year ago now.
It'll be a year in August.
We intended to turn the garage into an office, and it's a big project because we want like custom office desks built and storage, and it takes a while to do that. And so we're really kind of doing a nationwide search here for a group or a company to work with us on that.
They have to want to be on camera.
Yeah, you got to be okay being recorded, because
we're going to be recording this.
We want to share that build.
So nobody can be camera shy.
Yeah,
like me.
With you guys, of course. So that is a big need. So we're reaching out to you guys, and you guys are the best. You have all these great ideas all the time that you share with us.
Yeah, you guys are awesome. We're so grateful.
A ton.
We do.
From all of your comments, so thank you.
I think we learn more from you guys than you learn from us.
I think so, yeah.
It's awesome.
And the other big one is we want to do a solar system install
Why?
on the momentum here.
Why, Tom?
Because Cherie wants to go boondocking again.
Oh yeah, I can't wait to go. I'm actually looking forward to it. If we have the proper setup to boondock, I think it would be a much better experience than the last RV.
For our longtime viewers, if we're going back like 2 years ago. You remember the 30-day challenge.
The boondocking experiment.
Right, where we attempted, or really basically did boondock for about 30 days, a full month.
Mm-hmm. In the heat.
And we'll link to those videos down in the description as well. And it was kind of a tough time in the last RV, but actually these Grand Design Momentums, the tank capacity, and it's really built for more boondocking type things, but we still want to add a solar setup to really make that easier. So if you know of a company that would like to work with us, or does a great job, definitely let us know. And you can give us those tips. We'd really like you to email that. We've got our email address down in the description as well. Please email, whether it's for the office build or the solar system.
Yes.
We appreciate that.
We really do.
Right. And gosh, we're not done. We are actually looking at upgrading
our follow car.
The follow car.
To a follow Jeep.
To a follow Jeep.
We have mentioned it in a couple of videos, but we're getting super serious about it now. And so we're going to want to sell the Prius, which I call AKA hashtag rolling turd or hashtag turd on wheels. But it's been such a great car.
It's a great car.
Yeah,
it's got 225,000 miles and some change on it.
2008.
Yeah, and it does really well. It's
great gas mileage.
And the roof is a little bit faded from
the paint, the heat,
lots
the
of sun damage.
Yeah.
But
overall, I think it's in good condition, and it runs well, and so we want to know if anybody's interested in it.
Anybody that wants to pick it up.
We're going to sell it.
Destin, Florida area. If you're close or want to travel here, I think we, like $3,000 or $4,000 for it.
Yeah.
Something in there. You know, whoever is really interested in it.
Great affordable little car if you have teenagers or just need a little extra car.
And if you don't want to be on camera, we don't have to record you picking it up.
If I have to do it all the time, they have to do it too.
So, and we want to mention too that some people reached out, I think when we first started talking about a Jeep, and actually commented that they had a connection at a dealership, or they had special employee pricing certificates they wanted to offer us, and for the life of us,
we can't find those comments.
We can't find those comments or who said that. So if that was you, or you have the ability, we would really like that, because it's obviously a big expense, but we do want to add some Jeep adventures to the channel.
Yes.
And to be going to the Southwest.
Can't wait.
Yeah.
This is going to be fun. I may become Mountain Tribe, but did I just say that out loud?
Yeah, actually, what are some of the rare things you've been saying since we've been on Beach Tribe for months?
Well, since we've been on this crazy heat wave, it's been hotter in Florida than usual. Plus the whole COVID thing. It's just been it's been very crowded, very hot. Things are closed. We can't do our normal stuff here. It's like, I'm ready to leave Destin.
Right.
And I never thought I would say that ever, because I love Destin. It's my heart, but I am ready to go.
It's beautiful here, but the beaches are packed. The stores are packed. Very hard to social distance. And what better for social distancing but getting back into the mountains?
Yes, where we can be hiking out in nature, away from everyone. I'm really looking forward to that.
Taking the Jeep off-road. And so that's our plans right now for 2020. Now, of course, anything could happen, and we're crossing our fingers. COVID pandemic.
And flexible is our middle name.
Goes away.
Yes.
and everything stays open. But we kind of feel like an RV is the ultimate
Right.
plan B.
We should change our name to Enjoy the Flexible Journey. Maybe?
Yeah, and that's cool you brought that up, because the journey is really whatever path you end up taking.
Yes.
So your plan may not be the path you end up taking, but you still can enjoy whatever that looks like.
We've had a few hiccups and we make modifications along the way and still enjoy our journey.
Right. So thanks so much for following us, guys. We really appreciate you. And if you're new, subscribe.
Yeah. Give us a thumbs up on the video and be sure to ring that bell so you get notifications when we release new videos.
Right. So we're looking for your comments again on places to visit along in our travels. Also, a solar install company and like a custom woodworking cabinets office type solution like that. And Jeep. Certificate.
Jeep, yes.
I bet you can't guess what color she wants.
Let's see if they can guess. Let's see who's been paying attention.
Yeah, let us know in the comments. And again, thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy out there, friends.
Yeah, and enjoy your journey.
Yeah, take care.
Bye.
Bye, guys.